In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace error. If Facebook Marketplace is not loading properly, showing an error, or not letting you buy or browse items, there are several things you can check to narrow down the problem. We'll start with the most important basics and then move through the common fixes. First, open the Facebook app or go to the Facebook website, then tap or click the Marketplace icon. This helps confirm whether Marketplace is available for your account at all. If Facebook shows any warnings, eligibility notices, or restrictions, make sure to follow the on-screen instructions carefully, since those messages often explain exactly why access is limited. Next, make sure your Facebook account is fully completed. Use your real name, add a profile picture, and verify your email address and phone number. It's also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication for extra account security. A more complete and secure account is less likely to run into trust or access issues on Marketplace. After that, check whether your account has any restrictions. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and open Account Status or the Support inbox. Review any notices related to Marketplace restrictions or policy violations. If there's a rule issue attached to your account, this section will usually tell you. You should also make sure the Facebook app is updated. Open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Facebook, and tap Update if you see the option. Running an outdated version can cause loading problems, missing features, or unexpected errors. If you're using Android, try clearing the Facebook cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Facebook, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. After that, restart the Facebook app. This can remove temporary files that may be causing glitches without deleting your account data. Another simple fix is to log out of Facebook, wait a few minutes, and then log back in. Once you're back in, try opening Marketplace again. If the problem continues, test Marketplace on a different device or in a different browser. This can help you figure out whether the issue is tied to your current phone, tablet, computer, or browser setup. Also check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and restart your router if needed. Marketplace depends on a stable connection, especially when listings or buttons are failing to load. If the error happens when trying to buy a specific item, verify the listing itself. The item may already be sold, removed by the seller, unavailable in your location for shipping or pickup, or inaccessible to you. If the Buy Now button is not working, send the seller a message to confirm the item is still available. Finally, keep in mind that Facebook sometimes has temporary server issues. In that case, waiting a few hours and trying again may solve it. And if your Marketplace access has been restricted by mistake, open Facebook Marketplace and look for a request review or appeal option, then submit your request and wait for Facebook's response.